Is your Ninja Slushy drink too thick? Try this fix. If your slushy finishes the cycle, but the drink comes out like cement or barely comes out at all, you're dealing with an overfrozen or overly dense mix. Here's how to loosen it up. Step 1. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Right after the cycle, slush can be ultra thick, especially if the mix had a lot of sugar or fruit. Let it rest at room temp for a minute or two before dispensing. Step 2. Stir the mix gently before trying again. Sometimes the top is frozen solid while the bottom is still soft. Use a silicone spatula to gently stir the slush inside the container and break up thick spots near the spout. Step 3. Reduce sugar or fruit content next time. Heavy fruit puree or too much syrup leads to overfreezing. Dial back the sugar or try cutting it with a splash of water or juice for better flow. Step 4. Try the second preset if available. Some models have multiple freezing levels. The lighter setting may give you a more drinkable consistency. If none of this works, your tap may be jammed or partially clogged. Check our slush not dispensing video for more help. If this helps smooth things out, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for fast fixes that make life easier. And if you stir or break up thick mixes often, we've linked a silicone spatula that's safe for soft serve use right in the description. Thanks for watching, and swirl smooth.